Bangalore, also known as the Garden City and Silicon Valley of India, is a bustling metropolis that seamlessly blends modernity with tradition. From lush botanical gardens and historic palaces to thrilling amusement parks and serene parks, Bangalore offers visitors a myriad of attractions waiting to be explored. Let's embark on a journey to discover the top 10 places that make Bangalore a vibrant and dynamic destination. Number 1. Lalbagh Botanical Garden. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of Lalbagh Botanical Garden, a lush oasis located in the heart of Bangalore. Spread over 240 acres, this historic garden is home to a diverse collection of exotic plants, trees, and flowers, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Nandi Hills. Experience breathtaking views and cool mountain air at Nandi Hills, a scenic hill station located just a short drive from Bangalore. Perched at an altitude of over 1,400 meters above sea level, Nandi Hills offers panoramic vistas of the surrounding countryside and stunning sunrise and sunset views. Visitors can trek to the top of the hill, explore ancient temples and fortifications, and enjoy a refreshing retreat amidst the tranquil beauty of nature. Check out the link in I button on top right corner of the screen to know more about Nandi Hills. Number 3. ISKCON Temple. Find solace amidst spirituality at this temple, a magnificent shrine dedicated to Lord Krishna located in Bangalore. Adorned with intricate carvings, colorful murals, and towering spires, this iconic temple is a symbol of peace and devotion. Visitors can participate in daily prayers and rituals, explore the temple's tranquil surroundings, and soak in the spiritual ambience that permeates this sacred sanctuary. Number 4. Kabba Park. Escape into nature's embrace at this park, a sprawling green lung nestled in the heart of Bangalore. Spanning over 300 acres, this urban oasis offers a serene retreat from the city's hustle and bustle, with tree-lined avenues, vibrant flower beds, and meandering walking trails. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks, picnics amidst lush greenery, and recreational activities such as boating and toy train rides. Number 5. Bangalore Palace. Step back in time and explore the regal splendor of Bangalore Palace, a majestic edifice reminiscent of the grandeur of bygone eras. Built in the Tudor-style architecture, this historic palace features opulent interiors, elegant furnishings, and exquisite artwork, offering visitors a glimpse into the lives of the erstwhile Maharajas of Mysore. Number 6. Wonderla Amusement Park. Experience adrenaline-pumping thrills and family-friendly fun at Wonderla Amusement Park, one of the largest amusement parks in India located on the outskirts of Bangalore. With a wide range of rides, attractions, and entertainment options, Wonderla promises an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. From high-speed roller coasters and water slides to wave pools and musical fountain shows, Wonderla offers something for everyone, making it a perfect destination for a day of excitement and adventure. Number 7. Bannerghatta Biological Park. A sprawling wildlife reserve located on the outskirts of Bangalore. Home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including lions, tigers, elephants, and exotic birds, this biological park offers visitors a unique opportunity to observe and learn about the wonders of nature up close. Visitors can explore the park on safari rides, visit the butterfly park and zoo, and participate in educational programs and nature trails, making it a perfect destination for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. Number 8. Tipu Sultan Summer Palace. An iconic landmark located in the heart of Bangalore. Built in the Indo-Islamic style of architecture, this majestic palace served as the summer residence of the legendary ruler Tipu Sultan. Visitors can explore the palace's ornate interiors, admire its intricate carvings and paintings, and learn about the life and legacy of Tipu Sultan through informative exhibits and displays. Number 9. Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum. Unleash your curiosity and creativity at this museum. Named after Sir M. Visvesvaraya, the renowned engineer and statesman, this museum showcases interactive exhibits, models, and demonstrations on various scientific and technological concepts. Visitors can explore galleries dedicated to physics, electronics, aviation, and more, engage in hands-on activities. Number 10. Commercial Street. One of Bangalore's premier shopping destinations, renowned for its vibrant street markets and bustling bazaars. From trendy fashion boutiques and ethnic wear stores to jewelry shops and handicraft stalls, Commercial Street offers a diverse range of shopping options to suit every taste and budget. Tell us in the comment section which place you liked most.